I'm working on a project coming up where I'm building an off-grid PC, and I needed a small yet durable utility monitor. I want you to check this one out, because if you have any kind of special project like a terminal for a server, maybe a surveillance system, or maybe you're building a home flight simulator, this might be exactly what you need. Let's get into it. I got a project coming up where I'm going to build an off-grid PC using this Apache hard case, a mini PC, a power source, and various other internal components. Think offline maps, offline Wikipedia, PDF versions of survival guides, anything you could absolutely need in a grid down situation. With no power and no internet, a build like this would become worth its weight in gold. Right now I'm in the planning stages of putting components together, and I needed a versatile, smaller monitor, but I don't want to use what we call now portable monitors, and let me show you what I mean. If you go searching for portable monitors, you're going to come up with something of this variety. It's going to have some kind of a folio case or even some kind of a kickstand, and they all have the same things in common. They're all very thin, usually made of plastic components, and the connections, they are all powered by either USB ports or they'll have a micro HDMI. They don't have standard sized ports, and they wouldn't be very sturdy for the type of build that I'm looking to do. And that's where this Eyoyo monitor comes in. It's made of solid metal construction. It's 12 inches. And it uniquely has standard ports on it, even a VGA port. I don't know if you can see that up in there, but it's got the old VGA port. Well, why would we need that? Well, again, this is more of a utility monitor, and you may have an older type surveillance system or terminal setup that still uses a VGA port. And it's also got a standard HDMI port on it in a 12-inch form factor. I put together this little 2-minute clip on all the features of the Eyoyo, so check this out. The Eyoyo 12-inch 2K QHD monitor is a highly versatile small format display designed to bridge the gap between portable screens and durable workstation monitors. The monitor features a 12-inch IPS glossy panel with a remarkably sharp 2K QHD resolution. One of its most defining characteristics is its unique 3:2 aspect ratio, which offers significantly more vertical screen real estate compared to standard 16:9 displays. This makes it exceptionally well suited for reading documents, reviewing terminal code, and viewing web pages. It boasts a 99 to 100% sRGB color gamut, delivering vibrant and accurate colors, alongside a 1000 to 1 contrast ratio and a 178-degree wide viewing angle. Unlike many portable monitors that are constructed with plastic, the EM12-2K is built with a rugged metal housing, greatly enhancing its durability for demanding environments like workshops or industrial setups. It measures 11.5 inches wide by 8 inches high by 1.2 inches deep and weighs approximately 1.6 pounds. The monitor is highly adaptable and avoids the frustration of micro-connectors by equipping a full-sized HDMI port and a VGA port. The VGA port is particularly useful for connecting to legacy devices and older security DVRs. For installation, it offers 3 different mounting options. It includes a crescent desk base for stable desktop use, a portable metal rack bracket, and features a standard 75 by 75 mm VESA mount pattern for attaching to monitor arms or wall brackets. Thanks to its rugged build and high resolution, users frequently deploy this monitor for specialized utility tasks, such as CCTV security systems, Raspberry Pi builds, CNC controllers, flight simulator home cockpits, and as secondary laptop screens. It maintains a 4.4 out of 5-star rating, with users frequently praising its crisp picture and Eyoyo's responsive customer service. Now it has a couple of different options. Right now I'm using this stand. It also comes with this little rack stand you can sit it on. I really haven't used this, and I'm actually not going to need either when I mount it into my case, but it does come with that. One other thing that I will have to change is it comes with a standard AC plug with a barrel connector. Now the monitor itself is DC powered, but it's got an AC plug. But I'm going to get a converter so that I can run it directly to DC, so it can kind of bypass the AC. I haven't chose my battery source yet, This is not the battery I'm using, this wouldn't fit in the case, but just for visual representation. If I use the included AC adapter, I'll have to use AC ports on whatever power source that I use, and then that's just not as efficient. You're going to lose energy during that conversion process. I want to be able to plug the monitor directly into the DC ports of the power station, right? So bypassing the need for the AC inverter. To do that, I've got to pick up an adapter. It's just a little cable. One end of it's this barrel port, the other end of it's like USB-C standard that'll plug into one of the DC ports. And I have not selected the power source yet. I'm still trying to decide which would be the best one for my project. In the meantime, I'll plug this up and show you what I'm using it for until I'm ready for that project. Now this is how I've been using it right now. I have my big main monitor that I'm typically working on a project, and then I've got the little 12-inch monitor here that sits perfectly right below it, so I can have my terminal up, whether I'm using an AI agent or whatever I'm working on here separately. And it's nice, compact, fits right under the big monitor, stays out of the way. Maybe you've jumped on that bandwagon with OpenClaw, ran out and bought you a $600 Mac Mini, and now you need a small footprint monitor to go along with it. Whatever the use case may be, it's actually a really versatile and tough little monitor that you can use in different scenarios. Now, of course, you could just use it as a regular monitor for video games or whatever, but I just feel like it has a more unique purpose for it. I'll drop a link below if you want to check it out. Shout out to Eyoyo for sending it over to me. I'll also include a discount code. Let me know your thoughts on my upcoming project with the off-grid build. Also, if you have any unique ideas you would use this monitor for, drop that below and let me know as well. Do me a favor, please like and share the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me get the message out to more people and grow the community. Don't forget to check out some of these other video suggestions, and as always, thank you for watching, and until next time.